Polygon400 easily integrates onto any modern commercial microscope through either the Infinity or C-mount camera port. With the help of this video, you'll be able to set up your Polygon on a standard upright microscope in no time. The first step is to remove the Trinoc from your microscope. Once the Trinoc is removed, you will need the microscope adapter that came with your Polygon. Install the microscope adapter where the Trinoc was. The adapter can be secured with the same lock screw that secured the Trinoc. You can choose which direction you want the Polygon to face, left, back, or right, based on the space available to you. Next, you will need to install the Trinoc onto the microscope adapter. The top of the microscope adapter features 3 lock screws, and you will need to tighten all 3 of them. Carefully place the Trinoc on top of the microscope adapter and tighten the set screws. You may want to have an extra person stabilize the Trinoc during this step. After the Trinoc is attached, the next step is to insert the Polygon into the adapter. The Polygon can be inserted all the way in and secured by tightening the set screw. Once the Trinoc is attached, you will need to plug in all the necessary cables. Connect the 5-volt power supply that came with the Polygon, the USB cable, BNC cable if you plan to use the trigger in or trigger out features, and if you have a Polygon E with built-in LEDs, the LED power cable. Once you connect everything, including the power supply to the outlet and the USB cable to your computer, you can turn on the Polygon. Your Polygon unit is now installed and you're ready to get started. If you have any questions or need further support, you can contact us at any time.